Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe down below and the notification bell that's right there in the corner so you won't miss out any more videos from me. And let's get right into this makeup tutorial.
Dedicated to my dedication, push straight through, no zigzag. Those who hated on me praying I never make it, now I got them big mad. Now I got them big mad.
So starting off with brows, I'm just going to fill in my brows with this eyeliner pencil and fill in all the sparse areas. I'm going to be working from two palettes today, the Warriors 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and we are going to be using the Warriors 3 palette by Juvia's Place. The colors are super duper pigmented and beautiful. We'll be using Item Beauty's Prime and Set Mist. I love the nozzle on this spray. We're all Miss Darling. I'm gonna go ahead and pack that into my skin. Using 111 Skin Activating Hydro Gel as my moisturizer today. Since I will be using a full coverage foundation, I want to make sure that my skin is very moisturized. I'm just going to apply that to my skin and use circular motions to blend it in. Using Dose of Colors concealer in the number 24 as one of my bases for my shadow. This is a full coverage concealer. I'm going to be applying that with a synthetic flat brush. Using my finger to blend out that concealer as well, and then I will be using MAC's Paint Pot in Painterly. This is a very creamy eyeshadow base. I'm going to be using my finger to blend that out as well. To the Warrior 2 palette, I'm going to be taking Yoded and this dense packer brush, and I'm going to pack that into my crease. I'm also going to use that same brush to blend out any harsh lines. Using this small blendy brush, and I'm going to go in with Zama and pack that right on top of Yoded. Swirl the brush on the back of my hand to get rid of that shadow and then blend away any harsh lines. I'm going to be blending that shadow in the corner of my eye into my skin so everything can just blend together. Taking this domed crease brush and going into Zazz, and I will be using that as my brow highlight. Blending brush, I'm going to go into Jamada and I will be applying that to my outer V, and I will be building up this color. To the Warriors 3 palette, I'm going to be taking Karama and a small flat detailer brush, and I will be packing that in the inner corner of my lid. Going into Gola, I'm just going to pack that right next to Karama. This will be a base for the next shadow. Back into the palette, I'm going to be taking Congo and applying that right on top of Gola. On a small lip brush, I'm going to go into Jahara and blend that into Congo for a nice ombre. Using a detailer brush by MOTD, I'm just going to blend away that transfer from that shimmer shadow. Taking a clean blending brush to get rid of any harsh lines. Taking this pencil brush and going into the color Candice, I'm going to be packing that along the top and middle of my outer V. Brush, I'm going to blend those colors together and blend my brow bone color and transition color together as well. Here, I'm just going to be cleaning up with my concealer brush. Using that small blending brush, no shadow was added. I'm just going to be using that to blend out that transition color so it can be really soft. Using a disposable wand, I'm going to brush up my eyelashes before applying mascara. I'm going to be using Pat McGrath's Labs Fetish Eye Mascara to coat my lashes. I'm going to be using this eyeliner by Real Her to tightline my eyes. Applying some wispy eyelashes. These eyelashes came from Amazon. Using Milk Cosmetics Hydro Grip Primer to prime my face, I'm going to be patting this primer into my skin. I absolutely love this primer. It works great for all skin types. And if you are an oily girl like me, honey, get you some. I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Foundation in the color 420. foundation. I will be letting my foundation sit a bit so it can dry down before I blend it out. I will be using a Sephora foundation brush to blend out my foundation. Dose of Colors concealer again to highlight. I will be highlighting underneath my inner corner of my eye, the outer corner of my eye, down the side of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Matchstick in the color Espresso to contour my face. I'm going to be contouring my cheeks, my nose, and my forehead. I'm going to be using Morphe M439 brush to blend out the contour. Using MOTD contour brush to blend out my nose contour. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend out my concealer. I will be using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Powder in Banana to set that concealer, and I will be using it to set my face. I'm going to be using Morphe's contour palette and a large fluffy contour blush to set that contour, and I will be using the color Fabulous from the palette. I'll be using Ofra's blush in the color Punch, and I'm going to be applying that with a Morphe E52 brush. Using a Sephora highlighting brush, I'm going to go into the color Venus from that Morphe palette, and I will be highlighting the top of my cheekbones, brow bone, bridge of nose, tip of nose, center of forehead, and cupid's bow. For lips, I will be using Fenty Beauty's lip gloss in the color Sweet Mouth. I'll be using Item Beauty setting spray to set my face, and I will be using my beauty blender to press that in. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I hope you guys try this. I'm absolutely thrilled with it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.